in the day of a life. So I get to do a lot, honestly. And so I am a freelance hair and makeup artist. And if you've seen my other videos, then you'll know. But be sure to check out this video here, giving a little bit more context. But recently, in the last month or two, I relocated to a new state, and I also decided to rejoin the 9-to-5 workspace. But my job is a little bit different because it's super flexible and open, to me taking time off. And I mean, they also know about my my business, my hair and makeup business. So since they do know that, then they know that sometimes I need to, take a day off to do this, do that. But be sure to check out this video here so you can learn how to find a job like that and find one that you don't mind working while also trying to build up your business. So yesterday I had a hair and makeup bridal appointment. It was actually for 6 faces of makeup and 2 hairstyles. I did the bride's hairstyle and the mom of the bride's hairstyle, and then I had another hair and makeup artist there with me that I found to help me with the hair for the other people whose hair I did not do. So that literally took me out. That was from I think I left my house at 9-ish and I got back at 4. So that literally took, between driving, packing up, getting there, doing all the faces, leaving, getting back home. I probably got home closer to 5. And that literally took me out. I ate and then didn't do anything for the rest of the day. Just kind of chilled, even though that was not my plan. Moving on. So today I have to make up for what I didn't do yesterday, including content. That includes creating content, going to the store, filming, getting ready for the week, meal prepping, etc. So I thought it would be fun to take you all with me so you can kind of see a behind the scenes of someone who is in the 9-to-5 workspace, but also is a beauty entrepreneur, also is a content creator. It's a lot. So I enjoy creating content, sometimes I get paid for it. It's all good. And then my hair and makeup business is the one that I'm continuously growing. But there's so much that goes into that. All aside. So the first thing on my list is actually I started a hair wax. That's why my hair looks kind of crazy, because I'm going to finish this reel. I started using this hair paint wax from Curls Unleashed, I think. And I'm going to go ahead and color my hair. So I'm doing that first, because then everything I'm doing after that will kind of fall in line, and I'll be taking you all with me. If you like videos like this after watching, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because I'm giving you all the tips that's perfect for people who are in the 9-to-5 workspace, but also a beauty entrepreneur, and people who are beauty entrepreneurs. All the tips I'm going to be giving you moving forward will help you be successful in your business. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the first to-do list on the day. I've already brushed my teeth, washed my face, and I actually just need to re-wet my hair a little bit and get the hair paint waxed. All right, so this is the product I'm talking about. I am creating a cute little reel, so you'll have to be sure you follow me on Instagram at rock_natural. But let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I did one side already, and what I did was I washed my hair the night before, Friday night. It's Sunday, and so I just re-wet my hair and I put some of my Briogeo leave-in defining cream in, because I wasn't sure how my hair would react. And then I went ahead and applied the hair wax. And so this does say that it contains beeswax as an emulsion that moisturizes hair and provides a smooth finish. And look at my hair. Wow. First off, super pigmented, which I love. But also, it's so different for me. I'm such a neutral type person. Like I don't really add a lot of color to my hair. And the last time I had any kind of color was back in high school, and I dyed the ends of my hair blonde. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it here. But this is amazing. So I'm just gonna let this side dry. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I just wanted to come on here really quick and show you what I did. So I sprayed my hair with my spray bottle, got it wet, and then used some of this leave-in conditioner, and then applied the beeswax in sections. And you really don't need that much, but I like how it moisturized my hair. Like, my hair looks better right now than it does with some other products. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, got some on my forehead. My only fear with this, and I don't really know, it doesn't say on the container, is if it transfers onto stuff. I'm not gonna like that. Like, I know while it's drying, that's why I wore a black shirt, and it's gonna be on my shirt, but like I don't want it to transfer onto my clothes and things like that. So I have to let you know a review on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side and I'll be back. All right, so I finished my hair and you'll be seeing it soon. I'm kind of just letting it dry, but I have to change my shirt. So now that I can go film a makeup reel while my hair dries, after my hair dries, or after I'm done with my makeup, depending on how far my hair is, I might have to diffuse it, but we'll see. Or I might just wear it the way it is, but I just don't want it to transfer onto the clothes I'm planning to take pictures in. So I'm going to go right now and do my makeup, film a reel with it, and then I'm going to get dressed and go take my first set of pictures. But I'm nervous about my hair, so I might have to diffuse it, but I'll keep you updated. So let's go. So I was filming my reels, excuse the lights, I was filming my reels on my phone, but then I was like, let me just use my camera, transfer it over to my laptop and edit that way, just because I have a little bit more flexibility, I feel like, compared to my phone. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and excuse my messy makeup table, but that's what I'm gonna be doing makeup. I'm gonna adjust my lights, take this over here, adjust the stand, and get to it. All right, so I just wrapped up filming. My hair is turning out so good. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just finished my makeup and I did a reel specifically talking about this NARS blush that I'm going to be trying. So now that I did that, I have to go and change my clothes so I can go take my first set of pictures. There's like this fenced off area in my apartment building, like near my building. And so I want to go take some cute pictures there. I am still a little bit worried about my hair, but it looks like it's not transferring over onto this shirt that I have on right now. And I am filming on my phone, which I hate, but I need my camera to record, and it's just easier if I don't move it from the spot that it's in. But I am actually going to be switching out. I'm going to be taking pictures on my phone and then, you know, showing you the behind the scenes with my camera. So I am going to be taking both with me. But okay, let's just go ahead because I'm trying to stay on a schedule. It's already 12 o'clock, which I can't tell if that's good or bad for me. I don't know, but let's go. All right, I'm at my location and I'm getting all the stuff out my car. Now I just need to figure out what I want my background to be, because there's a lot of trees and I don't mind the trees, but I think I want to do without the trees. So let's see, maybe I will post up over here. Okay, so I just finished shooting style number 1, which I feel about, but we'll see how the photos turned out. It's really hard trying to take photos of yourself by yourself and get like some dope shots. So working on that. But now I'm just gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna eat, and then I have 2 more content pieces to do after this. I'm gonna film another reel, and then I'm gonna take 1 more set of photos at a different location. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the store. And I was thinking of, I did have 2 other spots on my list, Ross and Ulta, but those places are always so packed on Sundays. So I think I'm just gonna do those one day after work. It's not urgent, the things that I need. And I can also push it back to next weekend. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat really quick. I'm gonna eat some leftovers from yesterday. And then I'm gonna go and continue my content. Ooh, the pearlies. Okay. And then I'm gonna go continue my content, and I'm gonna be so excited when I'm done with content. I enjoy doing it, but when I batch content like this, it's hard. So I usually try to batch content on the weekends, so then throughout the week I could just have stuff to post. I did not film a YouTube video today, but I already have one that I can post for this week, which is good. And then I can also film one tomorrow, which I plan to do. All right, let's go. I'm just gonna eat some tacos. I'm gonna warm that up. I'm gonna take a break just from filming and looking at my phone and all things. See if it's transferred. There's a little transfer, not much, but it's still drying. So I know once it's dry, it's gonna be on and popping. All right, I can just babble on forever, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and I'll be back when I start my other content. Okay, so my 30-minute break turned into an hour-and-a-half break, which whatever. But that's why when I like need to get stuff done, I try not to sit down on the couch or in my bed or anything like that. Need to fix that. Or anything like that, because it literally just makes me not want to do anything for the rest of the day. But I'm back. I gotta film a reel, take pictures, and then I'm headed to the store, and then I'll be done for the night. I have to do one other thing tonight, but I'll probably wrap up the vlog after I go to the store. So now I'm gonna film my reel, and I will come back to you once I'm done. The blush on. Anywho, I'm gonna fix that really quick, film my other video, and then we're headed to the store. I don't vlog often, so I'm still getting like this. There we go. Okay, so I don't vlog often, so I'm still really getting this vlog thing down, but I just finished my reel. I have on my second outfit. I'm about to drive to the location. Once again, it's far enough for me to drive and start shopping. I'm gonna be on my phone. I'm not gonna bring my camera because that just seems like a lot. So I have my hair tied so I can put my hair up once I get to the store. But for now, let's go ahead and go and get into, or go to the car. So these pictures, I want to highlight the wax Curls Unleashed. So hopefully I can get, not sponsored, featured on their page. But I have all these boxes I need to take, so I'm gonna have to leave y'all here, put y'all down, see y'all in a bit. Okay, so I'm like super oily right now. And I just got back from the store. I'm sorry I did not take y'all inside with me. I was just like trying to get it done. Now I'm just going to eat really quick. Not really quick. I'm gonna eat, relax, and I have to do a few more things tonight. But I'm actually gonna end this vlog here. I did take the pictures earlier. I'll insert some here. I'm not sure if I like the ones that I took in the second outfit, but we'll see how it plays out. We'll see how the content plays out, all things. Thank you for coming along with me. I'm gonna end this vlog here. If you like videos like this, be sure to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.